So now I'm going to present about the project 2, which is creating the Visit Malaysia 2025 the web page. So this is the group members, which is the Zaim, Kamlesh and Iskandar. So myself is the Kamlesh. So here are the task delegation of group members, which is Zaim is arranged the 5 pages sources to make the data row pages happen, and he put the data transition code, and he update the code of the navigation bar to make the jQuery data transition functional. So myself, I'm updating the code of the place page by using the list view widget and contact page by using the collapsible widget, and I rearrange the design code into the correct order. And Iskandar, he changed the project file to the website link by using the Netlify website, and he converts the website URL links to APK files using the Mediate website. I'm explaining about the design of the Recreate the Visit Malaysia 2025 of the website. So first of all, this is the main page, which is the home page. So here we put the GIF like a MP like video as a reflect the explore the Twin Tower, and then below we put the brief introduction about the content, and we slightly put the 3 pictures of our Malaysia, and same as goes to put the content and put the national traditional dances of the multiple races. So this is the main page, and this one is the second page, which is the event page. So here it will show the famous festivals. For example, they got a Hari Raya, Hari Fitri, Chinese New Year, Hari Deepavali, and Merry Christmas. So when you click this picture, behind they got a content which is the meaning of the Hari Raya. So as same goes to for other festivals also. And next, which is the variety of foods, which is the third page. This food page, here got some contents. When you click the food name, here below it will show the picture of the food, and it will show the origin of the food, which is the origin of the food and what their contents in the food. So this is the famous food in the Malaysia. And for the fourth, which is the place, so for example, this is the page of our place. So this is the Federal Territory of the Kuala Lumpur. Here got the description about this place, and here got a map. So when you click our place, this will directly go into the map, so you can easily find out the place where it's. And this one is the list box. Whenever you click this upcoming events, it will directly go to the upcoming events of these places. So here got a sum of the 4 places, so you can explore any other places. So lastly, this is the booking page, and this is the last page. So in the booking, we attach the collapsible tables, which is when you click the plus, it below show the personal details. So whether you can enter your details and visit details also they show. So whether which place you want to visit, you just enter the details and location and additional note. If you want to talk about any notes also, you can refer here. So once you book, it will book the details, and you directly go to the Visit Malaysia's honors. So here are the 5 designs we designed. So that's all from me. I pass to Iskandar to show the coding of our designs. Thank you.
Nama saya Muhammad Sain Abdul Rahman, nombor Netflix 1 DDT 23 F1174. So saya akan bercerita tentang coding kat HTML source. So first kami gunakan yang coding untuk ni. So kami gunakan untuk bagi macam bila buka kat telefon, dia akan sesuaikan dengan telefon tersebut. Kemudian untuk yang ni first data role base ID base 1, data tim 1, data tim B. Ni nak merujuk kepada setengah buat page baru dengan ID nama page 1. Kemudian data tim dia B yang bermaksud dia menggunakan tema .mode. Kemudian sini ada coding, navigation. So antaranya adalah home, event, food, list dan booking. Kemudian untuk CSS style sheet, so kat sini ada menggunakan 3 identify. Yang pertama project, kedua event, dan terakhir dan food. Make the navigation bar looking well designed, making sure that the design on header hook face when in its position centrally most of page content make low gradient, make a flipkart style in event page. The grayscale set allocation page and changing color on hover for an interactive look. So then yang ketiga ialah script, JavaScript. Pertama kat sini ada code untuk jQuery. Kemudian untuk kerja ni pula digunakan sebab untuk lagi sesuai lebih sesuai digunakan kat drop down. Yang drop down tu ada gambar kat bahagian ARM4 ni. Then addition stuff, the jQuery framework based transition using NetFed on flip transition, jQuery mobile widget as the symbol set and list view, jQuery mobile team system, only user the data team ni. So, itu daripada saya mah. Terima kasih.
And now for the live demonstration of the website. As you can see, for the homepage, there are header. The header contains the video background, which is to make it seem interactive, and also they have the overlay like this, the title and also the slogan of the web. And then when we hover down here, it will show some highlights, which mean the color highlight on the phrase and also the picture and the title also. And there are also on this web, we use the theming system of the jQuery framework, which is the data type B. And then when we click the navigation bar, like the events, it will show the data transition like this, the flip one. And then we proceed to the events page. As you can see, this is what we designed. When we hover, just like before, it will highlight. And then when we hover these 4 picture cards, as you can see, it will show the explanation of each event that we represent. Like this one, the Hari Raya, the Chinese New Year, Deepavali, and also the Christmas. And then we proceed to the food. This is what we do on the food page. When we click on this button, like this, Char Kway Teow, it will show like this, which means it shows the description, the picture, and also some explanations, same as nasi lemak, roti canai, laksa, and mie goreng. But this kind of interaction, we just code it in JavaScript, since it can make more interactable for the user to use the web. And then we proceed to the place. As you can see, when we hover each of them, it will be like this, show some their color highlights, and also turn the text became white, from black to white. And also we put the grayscale sliding like this. It will slide the grayscale picture into the original color of the picture. Same as the iframe we put also on this side. Same as the other one that just put the other side. And also the list view from the jQuery mobile widget framework. When we click one of them, it will directly brought us to some event block that shows an upcoming event that are related to the Malaysian tourism. And then when we click the booking page like this one, it will show the fake data transition like this. What we can see, this is the booking page. It has the collapsible widget, jQuery widget. Like this one, we click on the personal details. Then we can see their details, also the visit details, location and contact reference, and also the additional note that you can put any note that you want. We can test it out like this. And also we can choose the place that we want on this one in this section of the location and content reference. And then after we fill all the forms, like the form of the personal details, visit details, location and contact reference, and also the sub. Best way to contact you and also additional notes if you want. You can click to the book button. And then you will go to the righteous of the database or anything related, but we didn't do that yet. And also you can see when we reset it, right? Like this one, we just didn't put it. If we click, it will show this, which means it's a mandatory to fill any of this booking form. If you fill it, it will happen just like that. And then that's all from me about the live demo of the project. And now I will show how this web would work on the APK file. First of all, we go to the download the APK, and then we just need to wait for a while to be installed. And go back to the home, and you can see this, the APK that we downloaded it. And then voila, you can see it is working well on the APK file or the APK, or as we can say on the Android thing or Android environment. We go to the next page. You can see there will be mess up on this one. And then on the food page, it works well and have a perfect sizing. And we go to the place. It became seemingly well. Yeah, it's seemingly well happened. On the booking page, we go forward. This is gonna conclude that most of them are working well, and also in the events are a bit messed up on the sizing, and that's all I can say from the demo on the APK environment or the Android environment. And that's all from me.